मैडम आपका नाम क्या है?
शबनम खातून,
शबनम खातून। कहाँ से आए हैं?
गाजीपुर यूपी।
यूपी से आए हैं। क्या तकलीफ था आपको?
सांस में दिक्कत था।
सांस में दिक्कत था और
हाँ, खजली था
खुजली था और
दांत गिरता था।
अच्छा, वाइट डिस्चार्ज
हाँ,
होता था, दांत गिरता था
हाँ,
और
पेशाब में
क्या पेशाब रोकता नहीं था?
नहीं, पेशाब
और?
गिरता था और पाछे से ब्लड आता था। वो भी
अच्छा।
आराम है।
अच्छा, पैरों में जलन भी था?
हाँ, पैरों में
एरियो में जलन भी था और थोड़ा मोटापा भी था आपका।
हाँ।
अब प्रिस्क्रिप्शन देख के हम बता रहे हैं मोटा भी। ये सारा प्रॉब्लम कैसा है अभी?
आराम है।
बहुत आराम है।
हाँ,
और पाइल्स का भी प्रॉब्लम था आपका?
हाँ, अभी आराम है।
तो कितना दिन पेशाब भी आपका रुकता नहीं था ना?
अब जो 1 महीना से
हाँ।
खांसने गिर जाता था।
अच्छा, अभी फिलहाल सभी आराम है ना?
हाँ, आराम।
आप उनके संग आए तो आप ही लेके आए हैं?
जी जी।
अभी कैसा है आपका बीबी?
बहुत पहले से बहुत बेहतर है।
अच्छा, ये सारा प्रॉब्लम पहले से बहुत बेहतर है
बहुत
ना?
बेहतर है, बहुत
एक ही साथ सारा प्रॉब्लम।
हाँ, और ये है अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि एक ही साथ सब आराम।
सभी आराम है, सभी सुधार आए हैं।
What we can do, this is a very good case. It will prove what we can do. The patient was suffering from acute asthma, bronchial asthma, the bronchi. There are some patches in the chest. After that, at that time, the patient was also suffering from severe leukorrhea, that is the white discharge for many years. Then the incontinence of urine, cannot check his urine, মানে পেচ্ছাপ আটকে রাখতে পারতো না for many months. And next, the piles, there was a tremendous bleeding from the rectum occasionally, and itching was very much there. Itching all over the body was very much there. And the first, so there are many problems. There are many problems means the leukorrhea for gynecologist, itching for dermatologist, incontinence of urine for many months, maybe urologist, piles for many months, maybe general surgeon. So we can cover the work of many specialists at a time. You have heard that everything was better. The first patient came on October 25, and at that time the medicine was given. The belladonna was the medicine, 0/3, 0/2, 0/3, and at that time with belladonna Yerba Santa was given. Next time the improvement was more or less 40 to 50%. But next time when I gave the same medicine, belladonna 0/3, 0/4, on January 29, within 15 days, patient began to improve. The bleeding from the piles completely stopped. The itching completely stopped, 90% better. Incontinence of urine was also 80 to 90% better. The bleeding from the rectum was almost gone. Next, the pain in the heel, that is known as calcaneus part. This is maybe the case of orthopedic. That was also better. The main medicine, only one medicine acted, that is the belladonna 0/3, 0/4. Another 2 medicine I have occasionally given, that is equisetum, mother tincture. Only belladonna was the main medicine. Again I will prescribe belladonna because again there is some short of breath and cough. Other symptoms all are better. Thank you. This is the beauty of homeopathy, microimmunogenetics based on homeopathic philosophy. I have taken the case from earlier, from 2 to 3 years, and triggering the immunity from the very birth, after birth 2 to 3 years, and gradually what was the mental symptoms after that is more or less better and better, and ultimately patient cured. Thank you.